Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from photos, prices, product codes, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. In for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, since this is just a sneak peek, kindly stand by for the prices and SKU. So first we have the LV boat trunk. So the feature of this one, as you can see, this is a top handle trunk by LV, designed to look like a cruise boat. How unique and stylish this Louis Vuitton boat trunk is, as you can see. So perhaps this is a size wherein you can carry this one as a top handle. How chic and beautiful to be displayed at your homes. Then we have the Speedy soft bandolier. So for this one, the material, as we can see here, is a soft upfront leather, and it comes with detachable chain and detachable leather strap. It has a leather bag tag, lock and keys. So guys, for the launch date, these are all going to be coming soon, so please do stand by. Once I have more info, definitely I will be creating a separate vlog. Next, on the new collection, so we have the Capucin's BB. I love this very beautiful Capucin's BB. The material, of course, is the Tyrolean leather, and as you can see, it is embellished to look like stained glass. So can be embroidered with beadworks, and it has, of course, with detachable leather strap that it comes with. So the colorway of the Tyrolean leather is in color white, and of course contrasting stained glass features. Then we have this very chic and fun Capucin's BB. So if you're looking for a different and very unique Capucines, so check this one out. So the base material of this one, of course, would be Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims, and of course it is embellished with the flowy and very feminine ostrich leather. As we could see here, it also has like flower details. Of course, it would come with detachable strap. Another Capucin's BB, so I believe this is a very rare Capucin's, in a sense that the material, of course, is Tyrolean leather, but the entire part or outside part of the Capucin's is embossed with the Louis Vuitton monogram. So with the Capucin's, normally they are not going to do with a Louis Vuitton monogram, so this is such a cute style of the Capucine size BB. So next on the collection, guys, again, this is going to be hot. So if you see this, take a screenshot and check with your CAs, have them reserve them for you. So we have the Capucine's BB. So the material is Tyrolean leather, as we could see, and then of course we have a newer take of the wicker or the basket weave. It comes with detachable chain strap and detachable leather strap as well. How beautiful is this Capucines? Then we have another Speedy soft and bandolier. So the colorway of this one is in pink. So the material is the soft slouchy upfront leather. It comes with two strap, chain strap, and a leather strap. It would also come with a bag tag, key clochette, lock, and keys. How beautiful this Speedy soft bandolier, which I would prefer than Speedy P9 because this would be
Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys!
Alright, so next let us discuss all the new
monogram denim collection from LV that'll be launching really soon. So first we have the all-in BB materials in monogram denim. Colorway of this one is in pink. Of course, it would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with bag tags. So this all-in BB comes with a detachable denim pochette, as we could see. Then of course it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next on the collection, so we have the Pretty. Guys, if I'm getting the wrong or the name incorrectly, please correct me on the comments below. So the material of this one is still the monogram denim. It would come with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is pink. Gold hardware, so it comes with the 90s koala closure, as we could see here, and the strap is fully detachable. Next on the collection, so we are going to feature the toiletry pouch. So the material is still in the monogram denim and with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is pink and it comes with gold hardware. And as I keep mentioning before, just check this pouch in any YouTube channel and you're going to see the secret on how you could convert this one from just a toiletry pouch into a crossbody bag. So next on the collection, so let us discuss the classic blue jean denim colorway. So first we have the Speedy soft bandoliers. As you can see, it's a very slouchy Speedy. So it comes of course in the monogram denim with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is the classic blue jean. It would come of course with gold hardware, bag tag, key clochette, lock and keys, and detachable leather strap. So next on the collection, we have the all-in BB. So same feature as the bag a while ago, but this time the colorway is in blue jean. So the material is monogram denim. It would come with cowhide or untreated leather vachetta trims. It would come with gold hardware. And of course it would come with detachable denim pochette. So it also comes with detachable leather strap, lock, and keys. So next on the collection, we have the Cruiser toiletry bag. So the material is monogram denim in the blue colorway, as we could see here. So the strap, so you could play around with it. So you could carry this one as a top handle. Then of course, it comes with the untreated cowhide or vachetta leather trims, as we could see here. So how gorgeous is this colorway, and I love actually that this is very structured. Next on the collection, so we have the knees. It's either the size nano or mini. So please take a screenshot and kindly stay tuned. So of course, it's a knee toiletry pouch. But then again, guys, there's another trick on what you could do so that you could use this one not just a top handle but even as a shoulder or even as a crossbody bag. That's what I would be doing if I would be purchasing this knees mini or knees nano. And then guys, we have watch trunk. So the material of this one is a little bit different. It is in the camouflage denim. So again, this would be coming really soon. So since this is a watch trunk, it would come of course with cowhide leather trims. It would come with silver hardware, as we could see here. So which do you prefer, guys? Do you prefer the camouflage denim or do you prefer the classic monogram denim? So we have another trunk bag. So we have the clutch box. The material is in camouflage denim. So if you're unfamiliar, guys, the camouflage denim, this is popularized by Pharrell, if I'm not mistaken, maybe during his first or second runway collection. So the colorway of this one is in blue jean, and it comes of course with detachable and adjustable strap, as we could see here. So going back with the classic monogram denim, we have first the carry all PM. So as you can see, it comes with a longer strap, so you can wear this one as a shoulder or even as a crossbody bag. So this is the close-up view. So the colorway of this one, not the official name, is like a jade green. So as you can see, I love the two pockets at the side. It comes with detachable denim bag tag, and it comes with untreated leather vachetta trim. Then of course we have the Pretty bag. So the material is in monogram denim. So of course the strap, as you can see here, it is fully detachable. The colorway, not the official name again, it is in jade green. It comes with gold hardware. So the gold hardware, that is the koala nose closure or buckle. Then of course it comes with untreated leather vachetta trims. So next on the collection, so let us discuss some ready-to-wear pieces. First, we have the denim monogram jacket. So I love the style of this monogram jacket because it kind of reminds me of a Chanel piece, as you can see, with the neckline, which I super love. The colorway of this one is in off-white, as you can see. Comes with two front pockets. So of course, aside from the denim jacket, it would come with the pair, which is the denim monogram shorts. So this is the close-up. So as you can see, the entirety of the shorts is covered with Louis Vuitton monogram. So the main material, of course, is in the monogram denim, and the colorway of this one is off-white. So hopefully, and I'm pretty sure that they are going to release more monogram pieces in denim.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!